So the Student Leadership Conference, I think, is one of the most significant events for the entire group, for the EiM family. It's where students come and engage and share ideas, create community, and think about how they're going to engage their own communities to make a positive impact. It's so fabulous to have this event at Dulwich College Seoul. It's a beautiful school and a lovely environment and ethos, and I think our students have really tapped into that.
I learned that we have to work with people, not for them, so that we can have more inclusive community.
The conference was fun, and I made lots of new friends from different schools like Dulwich College, Beijing.
And I think it was really good. It's really inspiring, and it told me a lot about leadership. I tried kimchi, but I didn't really like it because it was too spicy.
We got to know more leadership skills and meet new people, which is nice. We learned how to communicate better and how to socialize with the people you didn't know before.
I really enjoyed my time in Seoul. I enjoyed having the conference. I liked working with other people from a variety of different cultures and cooperating with people I have never met.
A lot of leadership skills, and we also made a plan that we could use at school to make the school a better place, fix food waste.
I'll say that it was a great chance to meet people from other countries and listen to the experiences of alumni who already graduated.
We learned that it's really about connecting with the community and also getting everyone's ideas into the table so that we can get a master solution.